Well, this little blue and white flow blue platter in onion design dates from somewhere between 1911 and 1914. It's an interesting piece because of the China marks on it, because a lot of research has been done on who was producing these pieces, and nobody can be absolutely certain. The China mark definitely looks like one which was being used up until around 1870, 1880. But there's no record of the factory still being in production around this period. And we know it's from 1911 or after 1911 because of the RD marks. There are the characteristic rampant line in a banner with the crown mark, Staffordshire, England, RD number 576812, I think, reading that. We've done the research on that. It is documented online. And it's been researched previously, and nobody can be absolutely certain who was making them. They were also being exported to the US. We have found a couple of those marks with a New York-based agent where they were producing stuff. Now, Blue Onion obviously is a Meissen pattern dating from much earlier than that. And the English potters around this period were copying designs that were becoming popular. And Blue Onion in the 20th century became very popular indeed. This particular round oval ironstone platter, as I say, has a RD number from 1911. We think it's probably pre-First World War. There doesn't seem to be anything later than that around, and they're not particularly common. It's quite unusual to find these. I think we found 5 documented previous pieces, all in onion design. A lot of them were in the States, so again, I think this may have been a line that was being produced for a retailer perhaps, and they didn't want the base factory marks identifying. A lot of this was going on during this period, so there's a good possibility that that was the case in these pieces. So we know it's Staffordshire, we know it's ironstone, we know the pattern design. It's in beautiful condition, nicely weighted, lovely and clean piece. Flow blue, as you can see on the back. There's the China mark, kiln support marks around it, impress mark 9 and 11, so we don't really know the significance of that either. And a very nice rare piece of blue and white ironstone onion china with the RD mark and an unknown manufacturer, so a bit of history to go with it and a good story. Available for sale from the Antique and Vintage website, Vintage and Antiques rather, should I say. We'll pop a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.